Welcome to our guide on how to use coupons on Temu. Temu is an online shopping platform that offers a wide range of products at discounted prices. Using coupons on Temu can help you save even more money on your purchases. To start, you need to create an account on Temu or log in to your existing account. Once you are logged in, you can browse through the various products available on the website. When you find a product you want to purchase, click on it to go to its product page. On the product page, you will see a field that says Apply Coupon. If you have a coupon code, you can enter it in this field and click Apply. If the coupon is valid, the discount will be applied to your purchase. You can find coupon codes for Temu on the company's social media pages, email newsletters, or through online coupon websites. Some coupons may have specific terms and conditions, such as a minimum purchase requirement or an expiration date. To use a coupon on Temu, the product you are purchasing must meet the terms and conditions of the coupon. For example, if a coupon requires a minimum purchase of $50, you must have at least $50 worth of products in your cart to use the coupon. When you are ready to check out, click on the shopping cart icon and review your order. If you have a coupon applied, you will see the discount reflected in your total. Best practices for using coupons on Temu include always reading the terms and conditions of the coupon, testing the coupon code before completing your purchase, and combining coupons with other discounts or promotions when possible. By following these steps and tips, you can successfully use coupons on Temu and save money on your online purchases. Remember to always check the terms and conditions of the coupon and to test the coupon code before completing your purchase.